Hello dear students, welcome to the second part video of production possibility curve that is concerned with the properties of production possibility curve. It is very important to note here that these two properties are very important for examination point of view and are also important to understand the behavior of PPC. So the two important properties of these are that PPC slopes downward. It is due to the limited resources that the producer has in his hands, and in order to increase the production of one good, he has to reduce the production of other good. That is why we are having two variables in the table. One variable was increasing its value and the second variable was decreasing its value. It indicates the limited resource with the producer. That is why the slope of PPC is downward sloping. The second one is PPC is concave to the origin. As we have discussed earlier that from the table that MRT, marginal rate of transformation, is rising one after the another combination, which indicates the shape of PPC is concave to the origin. So here it is very important to note that the slope of PPC is concave to the origin. Under these two properties, we have drawn a figure also that indicates the various types of combination. So all those combinations which lie upon PPC or inside the PPC all are termed as attainable combination. These are the combination which producer can opt with his technology and with his resources that he has for production process. And these are called attainable because producer can achieve and meet these resources. And any of the combination outside the PPC is termed as unattainable combination. As we have marked a combination with star outside the PPC, it indicates the unattainable combination as it is out of the range of the producer, that he cannot go for the production of this particular level because this is out of the range of the producer itself. So the shape of PPC is concave and it indicates the attainable and unattainable combinations that producer achieve or may not achieve. This PPC also show a different feature that PPC can change its position and it can further shift upward or downward as indicated from the second figure that we have drawn a PPC named at AB. This is the original production possibility curve named as AB. If there is increase in resources or change in technology for both the goods, good Y and good X, then the PPC will shift upward. And opposite to this, if the resources decreases, technology for both the goods become backward, outdated, then the PPC shift downward. This downward curve is indicated by A0, B0 because it is shifted downward inside the original production possibility curve, and an upward shift in PPC is indicated by A1, B1 as this indicates the rise in resources, the positive change in the technology of both the goods. So these were the basic features of this production possibility curve. I hope this will help you a lot in clarifying your concept regarding the same. Thank you everyone.